And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a simple neon text. It's a simple way to do it, but in most cases it will do. At first you need a black background. If you don't have that, create a new layer, make sure that black is foreground color, and then select it right here. We don't need it, I already have a black background. This is how you can create it. Now use the text tool, type in some text, make it white. Maybe I'll change the font. Let me use sans serif, you definitely have that. But in any case you want to have a thin font. So pick what you like, but sans serif is inbuilt in Gimp, so you should have that. Let me put it somewhat in center. You can also use the alignment tool right here to do that. If you don't know how to use that, check out my playlist. I've made a tutorial about that. I'm fine with this position, so let me move on to the next step. We'll create a new layer. Make sure that it's transparent. Confirm it. And it has to be in between our text and the black background. So use this function right here. Then right click on your text layer and alpha to selection. So we've selected our text. Now go to select and grow it a little bit. Not too much, let me use 10 pixels. Should be fine. I'll switch to my transparent layer in the middle and I use the bucket fill tool right here. Let me change the color. Maybe something greenish. Something like this. I confirm and I left click on the selection here. So now we have a green outline. Let me go to select and none. I am still on my former transparent layer, so we have the outline. Then I go to filters, blur, and use the Gaussian blur. Check the preview down here and increase it. You can directly see the effect applied. In this case, let me go to around like 14, 15 as a value. It looks fine. I switch to my text layer and I reshow the Gaussian blur. In this case you want to go not too high, so this for the white part of your letters. So like 2 or 3 should be enough. And that's already it. This is how you can create this simple neon text effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.